An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay. So, here we have a problem, that is, we have 616 army contingent members and 32 band members with us. We have to arrange them for a parade. How we have to arrange them? The two groups are to march in same number of columns. This will be considered for the arrangement. Okay. Then our duty is that to find what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march. Okay. We have to find that what is the maximum number of columns that we can arrange for the parade. Okay. So, you have seen the march parade before that, how they are marching, that is army people, army band will be in front of army people and army people will march behind them very beautifully. So, this will be in our mind if we before proceeding to this problem. Okay. Then, here, 32 members of army band and 616 army contingent members on behind the band have to march in same number of columns in a parade. Okay. That is, if band is marching at 2 columns, then army members have to march at 2 columns. Okay. Then we have to arrange them so that they can march in maximum number of columns. So our duty is to arrange them so that they can march in maximum number of columns. So we can have a look on 3 arrangements. That is, we can arrange them in a single column. Okay, that's 32 army band in a single column and 616 army members behind them in a single column. Or another arrangement is that we can arrange them in double columns. That is, 32 members are arranged in double columns. Then we have 16 rows and 616 army members are arranged in double columns. We have 2 members each and 208 rows will be here. Okay. Then what happens when we arrange them in 3 columns? That is, in the 11th column of this army band, one last seat is vacant here. Okay, one last person is vacant here. Okay, person's position is vacant here. Then about 616 members, 2 positions are vacant here. Okay, this arrangement is not possible since you have seen how they are to march in same number of columns. That is, they have to march in same number of columns beautifully. This arrangement is not possible here. So, how we can find the maximum number of columns in which they can march is that, for an example, we can consider we have a 6 chocolate, okay, with us. Either you have to divide among members, okay, but the arrangement must be in equal number. Then with how many members you can divide your chocolate? That is, you can divide the chocolate with only one member by giving all the chocolate to him. Then among 2 members by giving 3. Then among 3 members by giving 2 equally. Then what about 4 members? Can we divide 6 chocolate for the 4 members? Okay, it is not possible. So what we have to look, in order to divide something equally, that thing must be with a factor. That is, in order to divide 32 members in a column equally, that column number must be a factor of 32. Also, that column number must be a factor of 616. Otherwise, there will be a vacancy in the arrangement. So, what we have to find? We have to find a factor of 32 and 616 in order for our arrangement. Okay. Here one is a factor of both, no problem. Here we have 2 is the factor of both, we have no problem. What about 3? 3 is not a factor, so we have to face a problem here. So we have to find the factor of both in order for this arrangement, and also here we have to find highest among them so that we can arrange them in maximum number of columns. So what we have to find here? We have to find HCF of 616 and 32 to find the arrangement here. Okay. For that we can apply Euclid's algorithm, that is 616 greater than 32. By applying Euclid's algorithm here, what will happen? Okay, we can do this by division method, or either you can proceed it by mind calculation. What will be the result here? 32 into 2 will be 640. Okay, that is somewhat 19 will be our quotient. We can check. That is 616, 32. Then 32 is 1 times in 616, that is 32. Then by subtracting we will get 29. We are taking 6 here. Then 32 is okay, it is 9 times in 296. If we take 296, then it is 288. Then what will be our remainder? 8. So by the arrangement we can write this in a Euclid division lemma form, that is 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8, 0 less than or equal to 8 less than 32. Here the remainder is non-zero number, so we have to repeat this lemma again by taking 32 as our dividend and 8 as our divisor. It is easy, that is 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Then what is our HCF? Divisor in this stage, that is 8. Okay, what is HCF? HCF of 616 and 32 equal to 8. Hence, we have to arrange them in 8 columns for the march. I hope it is clear. So here we have the next